Hey, good morning. So we are about to leave to go to Lake Texoma. I've had some overheating issues, or really not overheating, but it's just been running a little warm. I actually, before we went to Broken Bow, degreased the radiator inside and out. I'm going to do another degrease. This is the stuff that I'm using. It's called Super Clean. It's a industrial strength degreaser, and then after I get that on there, then I'll shoot it with the power washer and see what that does for us. You see, I've got my degreaser on there, or maybe you can't see it, and we're about to shoot it with the power washer and see what that gets us. We hit it pretty good with the power washer. If nothing else, I have a very clean engine bay. Honestly, I think this will work. Everything else seems to be fine. Probably wouldn't be a bad idea to do a radiator flush. I may take care of that when we come back from Texoma, before we leave to go down to Fredericksburg. But anyway, I'll let you know what happens, and what my temperature is. You know, when you got the power washer out and it's cleaning time, might as well go ahead and wash the whole motor coach, and that's what we're doing. I use it's a Hyper Tough pressure washer. See if I can get a picture of that. I'm using my phone. I apologize. Instead of the camera. And I guess I hit the wrong button there. But and then I just use an industrial wash. I do wax it. It is a chore. If you've got a motor coach or an RV, fifth wheel trailer, or anything, and sometimes even a car, you know, it's a chore to wax. But I do keep a coat of wax on it. But anyway, that's what we're doing right now, and getting ready to go to Texoma clean. Of course, this is a very old motorhome. It's a 1999 trade winds, National Trade Winds 7370 model. I don't know if you can tell on the video, but a lot of the clear coat, some of it's peeling off, and some of it's kind of turning yellow. can I get that replaced, or do I need to get it completely repainted? What would be the better thing to do? I know I've got some folks out there that have got older motorhomes, or you may know, may be a painter. If you're a painter and you live in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, leave me a comment. I'll give you a cheap, shameless plug, and let's get together and talk. Just figured I'd bring it up here. Well, we are headed to Lake Texoma for the weekend, and this is actually a Jeep Club event. Don't know that I'll film too much about this. You haven't met these Brilligans yet, but we will do a little bit of filming. And Caitlin's not with us. Megan's in the back with Mike in his truck, and they're following me, and we are on the road again. Anyway, we'll fill you in more. Stay with us.